This video will show you how to send your GPS file to another inspector so they can have the same data that you have. The GPS file, gps.xls, resides in your so in your documents. So documents, in my case it's Brown Malcolm, documents, and then FW mapped, and then there's an additional folder called data. And in the data folder, that's where your city table is, your column order XLS, and your GPS XLS. So that GPS XLS, if we open it up, we can see there's the street that we added and the coordinates. So if you ever wanted to delete a street from your file or whatever, you could go in there and delete it. That's not what we're doing this time. So I'm going to close that off, go back to there. So say I wanted to send this file to somebody. I could just right click on GPS XLS and then pick send to mail recipient. And it would pop up your Outlook and the files attached. So basically, you could send the file to somebody. Once they receive it, they could save it. Once they receive the email, they could save it on their desktop. Theoretically. Save as. Work with me. Okay, we'll just drag it onto the desktop. Let it go on the desktop. And now it's on the desktop. Okay, I'll just cancel that off for the example. So, once you've received the GPS file and you want to merge it with your own file, you just open up your Excel, click on your green triangle, go to GPS, and pick Merge File. And it tells you it's going to make a backup, so you can't really screw it up because you can always go back. Alright, click Yes, a backup is saved. And now you want to add it. Now you're going to have to change the path. You see over here, I saved it on my desktop. So I'm going to have to go to the desktop and look for it on the desktop. And there's a file in the desktop called GPS XLS. I click Open. Your files have been merged. Remember, you have a backup if there's still a problem. And it's that simple.